To open a second Robinhood account, you must first understand that Robinhood allows users to have multiple accounts. But each account must have a unique email address and social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Begin by gathering the necessary information, including your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, a valid email address that has not been used for another Robinhood account, and your employment and income information. Next, download the Robinhood app or navigate to the Robinhood website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a new password. Then click on the Create Account button. You will then be prompted to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. After entering this information, you will be asked to add your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and answer a series of security questions to verify your identity. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will need to fund your new account by linking a bank account or using another approved funding method. It is essential to note that each Robinhood account must have a unique social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and you cannot have multiple accounts under the same name. If you are trying to open a second account for a spouse or family member, they must use their own unique information. To manage multiple Robinhood accounts, consider using a password manager to keep track of your login information and account details. It is also crucial to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully open and manage a second Robinhood account, allowing you to take advantage of the platform's features and investment opportunities.